So welcome. We have this question from PCE 2002, question 24, which I believe is important not just for those writing JAM, but waec and every other exam, including the Mass Olympiad. Now the question reads as follows: if the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix having the following elements minus 8, 4, minus 4y is equal to the determinant of another 2 by 2 matrix having the following elements 3, 9, 5, and 7. Find the value of y. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Next, we copy out what we've been given. We have determinant of minus 8, 4, minus 4y is equal to determinant of 3, 9, 5, 7. Now, in order for us to get our value for y, what we do is that we proceed to look for the determinant of both sides of our equation, and that will help us get the value of y. Now, we proceed by looking for the determinant of both matrices through the process normally employed in looking for the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. As we cross multiply, we also cross multiply these other matrices. So this becomes equal to bracket open minus 8 times y bracket close minus bracket open minus 4 times 4 bracket close is equal to bracket open. We have 3 times 7 bracket close minus bracket open 9 times 5 bracket close. Now all these will be equal to minus 8 times y will give us minus 8y. Then we have minus bracket open. We have minus 4 times 4 will give us minus 16 bracket close is equal to 3 times 7 gives us 21 minus 9 times 5 gives us 45. All right, we have these as minus 8y minus times bracket open minus 16 bracket close ends up giving us plus 16 is equal to, we have 21 minus 45. This gives us minus 24. We take plus 16 to the other side of our equal to, so we have minus 8y is equal to minus 24. Plus 16 goes this way and it becomes a minus 16. So we have minus 8y is equal to minus 24 minus 16 gives us minus 40. We proceed by dividing both sides of our equation by minus 8. So we have minus 8y divided by minus 8 minus 40 divided by minus 8. Minus 8 cancel minus 8. Minus 8 here 1. Minus 8 into minus 40. We have 5. This therefore means that y is equal to 5. Thank you.